Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's video, we are going to explore this forum tab in which we found node permission. What is node? Just click here. You can check it out. Main category, main forum. How is it showed on the public interface? Let's explore. Here you can check it out. Main category, main forum. No thread here. Okay. So just click back. Now we are going to delete them and create our own. Just click this. Okay, now I'll delete it. Click add node. Now we are going to add an category. That one here we will first add a category. We can type anything like in the first I'm going to add PHP scripts and description, why, and test softwares. Okay, your portion optional node is okay. Okay, display in the node is default is okay, and just click save. Now it will show up here in this main category tab. Here you can check it out with the title. Now add an forum. General discussion is okay for this one, and proceed. PHP scripts. Okay, PHP scripts and CMS is one. Uh, Scripts and CMS. Devs. grwebdevs.com. Okay, and this one select here, and you can allow thread types in here. Also you can edit it again. Right now I'm just setting is no. Okay, minimum required tags, index all threads. Okay, just click save. Now we will add a new one. Let me show you how is it look. Here you can check it out. PHP scripts the main category, and this is the forum. It is also unclickable. Now let me add a new one. You can add as you required. Search forum, page, link forum, forum category, link forum. You can also link a forum to another page. You can also create on a page. You can also search on a forum. When user it will be show like this, but when user click on it, it will be a search forum. So let me create, like right now you can check it out. I created two categories and forums sub chilled. Okay, so how is it look? Here you can check it out on my main website. PHP script category and chilled, and category parent and two childs. Okay, so this is how it's work. I'm also using an dimension theme, so that's why it's looking like this one. Here you can customize things in this theme. That is very good. I really love this. and you can also buy it from their original author, or you can also contact me for this one. This one I'll also really like. This is my personal theme. Okay, there are a lot of options to customize in the admin panel. We will explore in the next videos. So just stick to this point. Node permissions, who can view this node and who can do things in it, like this edit, and we will get our user style choice, not this one. Node permissions, I think here it will be showed up. Okay, advanced option, it's redirecting me to the same node permissions. I don't know why it's not redirect. Okay, this is one. That's the thing. I'm just clicking on the edit, so that's why it's redirected. So WP plugins private mode, it's like the user will only be able to view this node if they are explicitly granted permissions. If they like I want to create a private node, so the user pay to me, that way only access to that node, then they will need to pay me, and then they will be able to access this. And I will create a user group here, that is VIP members or something like. You can check it out on other forums, that other forums are already doing this. So we will explore this thing in next videos. Now here we are, no permission, you can learn here. And the next thing is thread prefixes. Here you can add thread prefixes, that is very good. So now right now there is no thread. First of all we will need to create a thread, and then we will able to do this. And custom thread field, thread prompts, RSS feed importer, batch update, threads, thread replay bans, all this is after when we have threads on our forum. So I will create some threads, so we will discuss it in next video. So thanks for watching. So this is the tab forums we discussed in this video. If you have any question, you can contact me on WhatsApp, or you can directly chat with me through registering on my website. You can easily register through Google account. I already integrated the Google account in the. If you don't know how to integrate Google authentication, like, let me show you here. Just click log out. Right now it's loading, so that's why we are now just. Where's the logout? Here's the logout. Now we first of all log out, and then I will show you what I am trying to say you to you. Now when the user click here, like you are the user and you want to register here, you can just click register and click the fast sign up button, register with Google. So you will be able to register with Google in seconds. No need to fill up the forms. Okay, so that's, if you don't know how to integrate the Google, so you can watch my previous video in which we do the basic setups, and in here connected accounts you can check it out the Google. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.